If you've been using GetResponse, then you probably already know that making lists in GetResponse is kind of a pain in the butt. And one of the things that's always been a thorn in everybody's side is the fact that you have to do the underscores and all lowercase, and through the entirety of GetResponse, you have to have a unique name to your list. Well, today is the day that you're going to get excited because GetResponse has finally unveiled their new feature to allow list names to be friendly names, so you can have uppercase characters, spaces, all that bit, and special characters, as well as the fact that the list names themselves are now unique to the account. All right, Josh with another GetResponse video for you. And today I'm just going to run quick through the changes that GetResponse made to their list structure. And you can probably already see right on that side, that side over there, that the list names have been changed in my back office in GetResponse, but I did leave a couple of them so I can show you the process that you need to take to change the names. Now, there are still a couple hiccups they're dealing through where some of the list names that you choose are still saying that they already exist, and some of that maybe for some of their coding that needs to still roll out. But otherwise, from talking to GetResponse and being able to validate this, it looks like this is a feature that is here to stay. It is not just a test. So let me get into this and show you exactly how this works. So here you can see this is my list right now. You can see here I've got most of these set up with the friendly names already. But we're going to go down to the bottom. I've got a couple lists here that I left. And I left these because this is my test list that I do for video recordings. And this is a recruiting secrets list that I've used in the past. And so it's a mini course that I have for people. And so in order to change these names, all you got to do is come into lists, right? So all I did was click lists at the top, come down here, go all the way to the right-hand side to this little 3 dots over here. And then you're going to hover over settings. And it's going to bring you up the settings page that's going to have the information here. And once you get up here, all you got to do, you can see the list title has already been set. So we're just going to change this to recruiting secrets. And you can see now I'm using uppercase characters. I've got a space in there. And we're going to do save general settings. It says general settings saved. And here's something really cool, right? So if you want to do a quick little, smiley face or something like that, you can do that. Now, this is where GetResponse had a big problem before, right? Is if you tried to go back and change to another name, they would yell at you and say, hey, you can't do that. Well, now you can go back and you can revert back to a previous list name in order for you to, go do that. And it didn't happen for everybody, but it happened for me plenty of times where it would tell me that the list already exists, and it's just the way that they were storing things in the back end. So that's one of them. And just to show you that it's not a fluke, right? So I'm going to go back to lists. I'm going to show you that it updated in the list here. So there you can see recruiting secrets updated. Now we're going to do video recording list. So again, 3 dots on the right, go to settings, wait for it to load, and when it pops up, and here I'm going to do this is just go copy, paste, right? Because I already had the title there. Save general settings. We are saved up in the right there. You can see that. And then we're going to come over here, and I'm just going to go back to list because I don't want to cancel it. And we'll just validate that it changed. There we go. So it changed. So now you can see, so before you would have the list title that you could update for your prospects to see. Well, now you can have those friendly lists as well. It's a lot easier to read, and it definitely helps out quite a bit. So, and with GetResponse, the nice thing about them is even though they've been around for a while, even though they've had a lot of great track record with being great for affiliate marketers, they're not just sitting around waiting, right? They're taking everybody's feedback into consideration, and they're making awesome changes like this. I will say that there is going to be something new coming out in the future that you guys are going to absolutely love, and I will be making sure that I get that out for you right away. But otherwise, that's it. Brand new feature, friendly list names with GetResponse. And, give me a like on the video. Don't forget to subscribe so that way you get all the new videos coming out, and we'll see you on the next one.